Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alaikum. Dear friends and viewers, welcome to my channel Islamic Education TV Channel. Today's our video is about Ramadan. You know friends, the Ramadan first Ashura come to end. Friends, if you not subscribed yet, so please click subscribe button and do not forget bell icon for more videos. Let's go to start Ramadan episode number 2. Hadrat Ka'b bin Ajra relates, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Come near to the mimbar," and we came near to the mimbar. When we ascended the first step of the mimbar, he said, "Ameen." When we ascended the second step of the mimbar, he said, "Ameen." When we ascended the third step, he said, "Ameen." When he descended, we said, "O Rasul of Allah, we have heard from you today something which we never heard before." He said, "When I ascended the first step, Jibreel alayhi salatu wasalam appeared before me and said, 'Woe to him who found the blessed month of Ramadan and let it pass by without gaining forgiveness upon that one,'" said, "Ameen." When I ascended the second step, he said, "Woe to him before whom thy name is mentioned," and then does not read, "Durad sallallahu alayhi wasallam on you." I replied, "Ameen." When I ascended the third step, he said, "Woe unto the person in whose presence both parents or one of them attain old age, and through failure to serve them is not allowed to enter Jannah." I said, "Ameen."
About Ramadan, some main points. Points. 1. Fasting in the month of Ramadan is fard on every Muslim who is not a lunatic nor an immature person, minor. As long as there is no valid excuse, it is not permissible to abstain from fasting. If a person vows to fast, fasting becomes fard on him on account of this vow. The qada and kafra fasts are also fard. Apart from this, all other fasts are nafil. If a person keeps them, he will be rewarded, and if he does not do so, there will be no sin on him. However, the fasts of Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, and the 3 days following Eid al-Adha are all haram. 2. Once the time of Fajr Salah approaches, dawn, until the time of sunset, a person should make the intention of fasting and abstain from all food, drink, and sexual intercourse. This is known as fasting in the Sharia. 3. It is not necessary to make a verbal intention. Instead, once a person has this in his heart that today he is fasting, and he does not eat or drink anything, nor does he indulge in sexual intercourse, his fast will be valid. If a person makes a verbal intention by saying, "O Allah, I will fast for your pleasure tomorrow," or he says the following words in Arabic, even then there is no harm in this. 4. A person did not eat nor drink anything the entire day, and remained hungry and thirsty from morning till evening. However, in his heart he did not have the intention of fasting but merely abstained from food due to a lack of hunger, or for some reason or the other he did not get the opportunity of eating anything. In such a case his fast will not be valid. Had he made the intention of fasting in his heart, his fast would have become valid. 5. According to the Sharia, the time of fasting commences from Subh-e-Sadiq. Therefore, as long as the Subh-e-Sadiq time does not expire, eating, drinking, etc. is permissible. Some women wake up early and after having a meal, they make the intention of fasting and sleep away thinking that once the intention is made, eating and drinking is not permissible. This is a gross error. As long as the Subh-e-Sadiq time does not expire, it is permissible to eat and drink. This is irrespective of whether the intention of fasting has been made or not.